struggling with a damaged ceiling, worried about aesthetics and home value decrease? Mr. Handyman is your exciting solution, best in ceiling drywall repair in Oklahoma City. Accuracy, precision, latest repair technologies, and professional team, we've got it all lined up for you. We ensure customer satisfaction with swift responses, outstanding workmanship, and meticulous attention to detail. Mr. Handyman's attention to detail, speed, and precision is commendable. Will you a satisfied customer? 405-9NE-1433. Call us now and bask in the perfection of our ceiling drywall repair services. Call now. Quick responders secure the best spots. Don't miss out, Oklahoma City. Mr. Handyman is committed to restoring your house to its former glory and exceeding your expectations with our service. Allow Mr. Handyman to solve your ceiling drywall issues. Remarkable service, incredible results. Dial 405-901-1433 right away.